In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin Descent Mk3 series dive computer watch. Your Descent Mk3 also includes a touchscreen that you can use to operate the watch. For example, you can tap on the screen to enable the backlight. Swiping up or down lets you scroll through the pages. Tap an option to select it. Swiping right will take you back. Covering the screen with your palm will return to the watch face and disable the backlight. Now let's talk about the buttons on your new Descent Mk3 watch. The Descent Mk3 watch has 5 buttons. Each button can be pressed or held for different actions. The watch bezel has labels for many of these functions. Let's start with the light button on the top left of the watch. Pressing this button will power on your watch. While your watch is on, pressing this button will turn the backlight on or off. Holding this button will show the controls menu. The controls menu provides quick access to frequently used functions, such as Do Not Disturb mode, battery saver, cool mode, and powering off the watch. Next is the Start-Stop button on the top right of the watch. Press the Start-Stop button to view the activities and apps list. You can also press the Start-Stop button to select on-screen options. Next is the back button on the lower right of the watch. Pressing the button will return you to the previous screen. Holding the button will open the recently used settings and apps. The down button is on the bottom left of the watch. Press this button to scroll through the glance loop and menus. Hold this button to view the music player. The Up menu button is on the middle left side of the watch. Press this button to scroll through menus, such as the glance loop. Hold this button to view the menu. From the menu, you can customize the watch face, adjust settings, and pair wireless sensors. And that's it. Your Garmin Descent Mk3 series watch is now set up. To learn more about your Descent Mk3 dive computer watch, please watch our other videos or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.